an attempt made by almost 90% of the media to muddy the waters, to create an atmosphere, Saket, in an attempt to influence the courtrooms. It's not been an easy fight. Without going into the details, could you share how this battle has been for you and all our legal team personally, Saket?
Arnab, firstly, congratulations. This is it's a massive, massive win. As and on expected lines, we were always very confident. And as Mr. Jethmalani said, there were other reasons just for things to open up suddenly. Your suicide case was opened up despite being closed. One of the officers came out of retirement, really reinstated, and he started pursuing this case. Right from the beginning, our point was malice. Our point was there is malice, and this is nothing but to muzzle press freedom. The way the then commissioner came on and gave a press statement, despite the fact that there was nothing to relating to Republic at that stage. So it was quite evident that you'd caused a lot of discomfort in the powers and those in power then, and clearly we knew what we were fighting against. But I don't think there was ever a doubt as to what would happen. We knew it might take time. The process does take time, but we were very confident in the system, and which is what we are currently, we've been, proved right. What I think is relevant is the fact that there were other agencies that got involved in the investigations. The 164, statements that were made were coerced. That's stated. That's part of the application. When the other agencies got involved, the people who were being charged were different. Nothing to do with Republic. Republic practically had absolutely no role, and it was made the scapegoat. It was quite evident that this fiction of a TRP scam was created to go after you. So, and which we were faced with, and it's not just the other case that we talked about, and there were plenty of other proceedings that were initiated against your reporters, your people. But I guess today we all stand vindicated because nobody ever had a doubt. All of us stood strong, and we knew that we would push back and we'll win this battle. The fact that initially itself we got relief from the Bombay High Court showed that there was there's nothing really in the case, despite all the halabu that was made. There was we got a protective order from the High Court.
Yes. Well, I want to share with all the viewers that when I was at prison, I would stand in line with the other prisoners for half an hour to make that 2-minute phone call to my lawyer. Once every few days it would be allowed, and that person is Saket Shukla. So, he's got many spam calls from prison from me.